guys, this is Diana. Welcome to my channel. Do you often find it difficult to make decisions to purchase a Citycoco scooter because there are so many brands and designs in the market which all look the same but price varies? In 3 minutes, Diana today will help you understand how to choose the best electric Citycoco scooter that suits your needs. Citycoco has gained significant attention as a fashionable and convenient model of urban transportation. In this video, we will explore the features and key considerations when purchasing a Citycoco scooter. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding your riding needs. Take a moment to consider how you plan to use your Citycoco scooter. Are you looking for a daily commuter vehicle, a recreational scooter for weekend adventure, or perhaps a combination of both? Determine your riding frequency, distance, and intended use will help you narrow down the right Citycoco model for you. Next, let's talk about design. Citycoco offers a range of design from sleek and sporty to retro and classic. Consider your personal style and preference when selecting the design that fits you. Additionally, think about the size and weight of the vehicle. If you have limited storage space or need to transport it frequently, a compact and lightweight model might be more suitable. One crucial factor to examine is the battery life and charging options. Look for information on battery capacity, range, and charging time. The battery life should align with your daily commuting distance or desired travel range. Consider your access to charging infrastructure, whether it's at home, work, or public charging stations. Additionally, explore if the battery is removable and if spare batteries are available for extended journeys. Speed and performance are significant considerations. Citycoco models offer varying top speeds and acceleration capabilities. Think about your comfort level and local regulations when choosing the appropriate speed range for your needs. Additionally, check the suspension system and tire quality to ensure a smooth and enjoyable riding experience. Safety should always be a priority. Look for essential safety features such as headlights, tail lights, turn signals, and rear view mirrors. These features enhance your visibility and allow you to communicate with other road users effectively. Some models may include additional safety features like anti-lock braking system, ABS, or electronic stability control ESC. Remember to wear appropriate safety gear such as helmets and protective clothing for safety riding. Now, let's discuss additional features and accessories. Citycoco offers a variety of options such as built-in speakers, USB charging ports, smartphone connectivity, and storage space. Consider which features are essential for your riding experience and choose a model that offers the desired functionality. Finally, compare prices and warranty options. Research different retailers or online platforms to find competitive prices for the Citycoco model that you have selected. Check if the manufacturer or the retailer provides a warranty for the vehicle and its components. This can provide peace of mind in case of any manufacturing defects or issues. To summarize, when buying a Citycoco, consider your riding needs, design preference, battery life, charging options, speed and performance, safety features, and warranty options. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can confidently select the perfect Citycoco that suits your lifestyle and preference. Thank you for watching our Citycoco buying guide. We hope this information has been helpful in your decision-making process. Remember to ride responsibly and enjoy your Citycoco scooter. Okay, that's pretty much about today's how to choose Citycoco scooter. Diana has compiled a table of different parameters of different Citycoco models. So, if you do have any other questions, you can just leave your questions in the comment sections and don't forget to follow us. Diana will share more electric vehicle knowledge with you in next videos. See you next time, bye!